Let's create here one file and give the name as important.html. And inside this file, I can use here the boilerplates, and I can change this document into the important CSS. And then the inside the body section, I want to create one div here. And inside the div section, I want to write here the lorem 10 text. And inside the header section, I want to make the style tag here. And inside the style tag, I want to give the div here, and I want to select the div. This is the element selector, and inside the div, I want to give the border here, and the border as 1 pixel solid blue. And I want to give here style inside the, this is my internal CSS, and I want to give the inline CSS also. A style is equals to border 1 pixel solid green. And then I want to make here the another CSS file, that is important important.css. And inside this file, I want to select the div element, and I want to give the border 1 pixel solid and red color. Okay, 1 pixel solid red. And if I run this code, at first the priority will goes into the inline CSS. It means our border color will change into the green color. If I click on the go live options from here, now this code is running here, and you can see this is my green color here. And this is done because of the first priority will given to the inline CSS, and then internal CSS, and only the external CSS. And if I provide the here, this is the element selector. If I provide the ID by using the hash symbol, I can give the area ID name, and then also the class name using the dot symbol. And the first priority will goes into the ID selector, and then the class selector, and then the element selector. So if I want to change the order of this priority, then I can simply write here after blue color, if I write here exclamatory mark and then important. And if I go to the browser, now this color is changed into the blue. It means the first priority will goes into the internal CSS because I'm using here the important property. So this color of this border is changed into the blue color. And if I remove this important from here, and if I put this important into the external CSS after the red, and if I put here, now this border color is changed into the, if I put here the important, but I'm not link this I'm not link this the external CSS. So it was link this external CSS into the our HTML file. So it first go into the HTML file and just link this file here. I write the link, and then I can write here the important.css, and if I go to the browser, now this color is changed into the red color. So it means that if we write the important keyword in after applying the style into the CSS element selector or ID selector or class selector, then this will get the first priority, and this is known as the CSS property in CSS. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.